Hey friends, if you wish to fix, clean and repair the Windows 11 registry, then please watch this video. Now see, there's nothing called as cleaning the registry. Basically, registry is the repository for your operating system. So here's what you can do if there are missing and corrupt files. I will tell you procedurally. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and then click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next solution will be, the SFC scan is done to clean the files. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. Check all of these boxes here. Click on OK once again. Select delete files and delete all the files here. Okay. Now, once this is done, the next process will be as follows. You will have to perform a clean boot on the system. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services, and if any of the service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.